Welcome back. Let us start a new topic in SPM, that is preventive medicine in obstetrics, pediatrics and geriatrics. Beginning with the maternity cycle. There are 5 stages of maternity cycle. They are fertilization, antenatal period, intranatal period, postnatal period and interconceptional period. So we have 5 stages in total. Now let us see each of this stage. Fertilization. Fertilization takes part in the outer part of the fallopian tube. It takes place in outer part of fallopian tube. You can see here. It takes place in the outer part of the fallopian tube. Yeah, in the ampulla. And the fertilized ovum will reach the uterus in about 8 to 10 days. It takes around 8 to 10 days for the fertilized ovum to travel and get implanted in the uterus. It takes 8 to 10 days for it to travel from the fallopian tube into the uterus. So this was about the fertilization. You can see fertilization is nothing but the sperm meeting the ovum. Then comes the antenatal period or prenatal period. You can see antenatal period comprises of the 3 trimesters. That is, the pregnancy is the antenatal or prenatal. Then we have intranatal period is the period during delivery. During delivery, it is a very crucial time for both the mother and the child being born. So the care has to be taken of both mother and the child during this period. That is the intranatal period. Intranatal. And this is prenatal because the baby is still not born. Prenatal. Okay. Followed by we have postnatal period. Postnatal period is immediately after birth up to 6 weeks. Postnatal. The baby immediately after birth to a period of 6 weeks, that is 42 days, is the postnatal period. Lastly, we have interconceptional period. You can see in the picture here, there is one baby and the second conception has occurred. So the period between the two babies, two childbirths or two pregnancies is known as it is in between interconceptional period. Between two conceptions, the period in between two conceptions is the interconceptional period. So this was the stages of maternity cycle. Let us summarize them. What all were the cycles we saw? First one, fertilization. It occurs in the ampulla. It takes 8 to 10 days to reach the uterus. Second, we saw the antenatal period. That is the pregnancy. 3 trimesters it contains. Third, we saw the intranatal period during the delivery. Fourth, that is postnatal period. In postnatal, immediately after birth up to 6 weeks, that is 42 days. And last, we have interconceptional period between two pregnancies. The time period between two pregnancies is the interconceptional period. I hope it's clear. With this, we come to an end of maternity cycle. In the next video, we'll discuss about the periods of growth. Thank you.